How to reset network settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear all your network configurations and start fresh. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, tap on Reset. At this point, tap on Reset Network Settings. In the next step, review what will be reset. This includes your Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and mobile data settings. Following this, tap on Reset Settings to confirm. From there, if prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. Once done, tap on Reset to proceed. After this, your device will reset all network settings and restart automatically. From here, once your device is back on, go ahead and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Finally, keep in mind that resetting network settings will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords and paired Bluetooth devices, so you'll need to reconnect everything from scratch. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your network settings on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.